on the ghetto rebel in select. Yani in the chow ni the get rebel thing.
Yeah, Sniper Man, the ghetto rebel. Adui me ghetto. So one of the Adui me ghetto is Bobby.
Mm.
Tie the ghetto president. We are the ghetto rebel.
Mm.
Yeah.
Mm. Now la this sniper man the ghetto rebel to chot he could dikum da joli mani ready wango fama any dit loy funi no man wa joli mati actual benati could dikum mo be kitane. Now la this sniper man America go kafela mi weri and makiloni many nino mo annoy.
Yeah, Nino Man. La jog me mero tiako logang tuani pengeo ni Nino Man noi. Logang tuani pengeo ni Enyin me mero tiako logang tuani pengeo ni Nino Man noi. La nek me mero tiako logang tuani pengeo ni Nino Enyin me mero tiako logang tuani. Miro nekolo kon korani. Miro balo la pal tunani taka noi mira tum kwedi. La jok me miro tiako logang tuani pengeoni. Yeah.
Now sniper man put pachera kwanyu biography makamegi era pichero straight away kwa pengo in where we mo bedu tan.
Ingeo moderator pengo aware we makireni. Pian no ingeo musical wa fonyo lobo. Wa miyo tam ki lobo wa kuyo chuny lobo. So ano chalo pako makomanti community mateka dada. Uduru ni kegoe kaweng. So kiet machalo dano kokere lu jogi do kar kom dano timme tiet timme charo. We eno we winya wa ni pingo miro balala tich palo ba kuna no chalo miara kempolo. So amira pie polo entong. En ko pa dano mitachien kan chamo kana pe yomo chunya total. So we katamo ni ami eroni to give people courage and kidong fonyo en jo matamo ni ko pa dano te chingini ni no mo kitum ke bi ka kino ge. And ni no ge chok bedong. So that is majorly ngamo we in a category or straight away. Yeah.
Well, Beno la this type man the ghetto rebel ren radio and what yamo wakwede a wachi kalenda banyunda pa we dek do mangwan. Wakali bario Pierre Rio Yangwan and that carturi ma tek fall line radio Pierre Wachiel karti ko manchawa maromo en we dek ko mi ku deko and mot me maage kan ko mar mi Uganda mano ye yo me de sar de vibe pol kar wakilu awa yel kar palotiano paje bene kum jemu kan ma pat mani kirman mi muziki line radio NIT jamma cher ya dek mo watimo nyati enosio to line radio NIT winwa tie bane ibo pin da te kwanya bene ki chim ching machere kwanya ki radio guardian makabegwa o ti mere foj ma dir to tali kom yen bere ma tek twal aduwa ti yega kaini labit sniper the sniper man the get rebel wa kwany kon ti war ni matini wa mer ngeo nga mo beru sniper man the get rebel wa chakon kwanyu bay group makamegi ni ki kome yene don ni kinwale kwane karani karango kidong jemu kan ma pom twal bagdi jemu kan per tektual ma waneno e program par weri e ma sabde bay ma wakel tiam pajo podcast.
And Machalo Sniper Man, the ghetto rebel, the northern musical artist, Uganda wise and world wise. Nyage come keloni upoka Milton. Nyalena ubedo kalon referral hospital. Meno imagali bachel mia bongwen piar bongwen wia bongwen. Char mamegwa ma kinyala yetie patonkanyi char makeloni la kwa. So atigang and I'm feeling at home. So kuona atero kuona within Patonkany, achako kwana straight away school like P1 from Bartiba Primary School, proceeding Patong Primary School, Chiachara sitting Wang Lobo Primary School, Mano Angen and Kinying Opoka Milton. So Nying Mukana Malutino Miano Poleg Marluangani afande because I was the Abedo General Scout Commander, primary level district wise. Then I proceeded achieve the Patong CSS. Karema Lutino Quano Mianying Makeloni consulment. Yanying Makeloni consulment, my hobbies and OGs according to my lifestyle. They gave me the name senior consultant. So I made Deki work at the musical life which I kuno and I started getting that name Sniper Man. So many kita kwana beruka what kere O level because na tie General Parade Master, Northern Uganda, Scout and Patriotism. So Ikarama Werogang, I left home. I had not yet introduced myself in music industry because I was still dealing with military feeling. So Ikarama Werogang, Achero Bombo SS katika mo amede ki A level na kuno. That is when I joined film acting industry and music industry officially. Through guidance from other artists chalo Boss Migo team ge chalo Nuclear ge abedo making some inquiry. Then when I got near talented, I'm not just forcing myself because I started music from the church. Ma better composing, and since we used to compose, I have to at least teach the world, entertain the world, and encourage the world musically. So mena yeket ma tikere currently.
Well, ti je mukar mo mier wange matuti kum ian anian matine ene wa mieti wange kong ini ya ki kagamene babani nyenga mamani kono ya ki kagamene yinu keu jo kwene menu ti je mo pera tek tene iti ganga kain miru dano nge ma pe da ben ma leng ma fort ma chil kala la wajo kede
kakare. Yeah, and babana kilwonye ni udong sizagwa bedo wot kakakala. So weko an bedo da bedo wot kakakala. Charo ma megi mano megwani ti la kwalo pika mai patons la kwa Paris Patons sub county. Mamana kilwoni Adong Florence Ogwa en bedo anyira lang oten lang ma aki karainu aki lang so abedo keo lang beren kitwa ni let machili. So abedo keo lang abedo keo lang oten lang ya.
Well, now la this sniper man the get to rebel.
Yes, himself.
Amira dugati bot yan wek wanan kachiel.
Yeah.
Ki keti ku bedi chan ma iriti ka loka ka enini. Loki enini ma udonye twin down, udonye twin lutiang matika don, jo matigi upcoming artist ki jom kene. Now, ugonger mo maro kita inti kene. Now, in tamni ngati enini pe ber mabe ya nyim chalo ian. Gonger mira ber chalo ini nyim ngata eni ber kuting gerango. So that ku bed chalo ian pe nyim.
Yeah, any time me kumeno is like a music industry competition here and neno kia kemo to twal balo motive and movement. So pibero like la phone mati peda wat ni la way mati kiken la phone mati musically and yomo kiken always mere neni meda nyim chalo matga mape kake chako pedong to until chung kama miero ko chung ye. So jami mapol team like the music industry, there are many insults yet here. Jomokene gibero ka church, but when you are focused and you know where you are going and what you are doing, kereningo ingeo kametia kemone. Kidong what I would advise them and yetieni miero pego ket chwingi like made work like backfire me dok chien like kachinen la we la worry bero ki chwin mama pe beri komi ngeo polkare better tell me better technical advisors in everything you do. So catching and get marketing you place the feeling to your mind your cabinet, your music cabinet. So don't go when you give me time because in your musical move kai tika for you down doc you nya kemo bino da chako ngolo ma kiyet en pedong wera war mabe. So mi rekeme merking o mati chwinyi medeki wara nyim pe tamping o madano wajo keme ati when you are naturally gifted and talented, you will suit it one day. That is what I give them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, radio mani watiki sniper man the great rebel and watiki de yiga kaini tian chia bichel and mid weekend no cut my bed of ben my yacht to and now kai ni liar think what with degree chances marom pierre beach but ye bora continue to do chances marom pierre where you are in radio man take it up in your producers man man you not teach me go where
I better teach producers ma Paul. Majorly I better teach producers the central. On a TOK AB Touch Pro Metororo. I proceeded a lot of producers here on a TOK Arch Perfect Pro. Meno better Ginger City. Then I proceeded at TOK producer Makelwani Timorays. So I felt like kong that time production magang. So I work pabet chalo intruders a karma kabino gang pabin chala donye kunan latin luo latin pajo. We are na pie awa ni kabina time doan la kubukubo makong. Awe kolomon ben ko yen kong piegi. Okay chok yen koge ki ni no manui. So a time of production bought Badman Koda and then I tia kelo te yamani. So anyway like what you quality of production. Kano ni a producer money ramo team to the perfection. Kitana mero kere I use him. So Pamira T is specific producer, but currently I'm going for an agreement. Mira chira agreement. Production at least pe mwakachel 1K Powell Elias. Man me Uptown Record, Gulu City. That is for me dancehall production. You know, I'm also the dancehall bumper. So after that, in case of any like kubu kubu drop, I would like use either Badman Koda or this guy and what Agago in
CB record,
City Boy record. Then this another Kiddie Face. So those are the guys. I will be specializing with them. But any kijana no like any other, even if upcoming producer, so long as he can eat and he can suit what I want, at UK I have no problem. I'm a social man. I do not despise people. Yeah.
Okay, well, Line Radio, wati ki Sniper Man. Now this Sniper Man, wamire manen, mananga ino music industry, pangyo ka chose in a team kabiri mapol.
Yeah, naka joining music industry. Anyway, pabedo kiso madwong ritual. But when I was coming back of recently, wabedo kiso Ginger City. Meno beli te ball line across the Nile. Mabedo like battle performance, whereby I became the best performer. Machalo ikin lurok mere bene. So so what berka team so it's central, like at least to promote also. Mena working anyone luo ben what ye wabedo kiso mogo masaka wabedo kiso 1K Udong Romeo ge last year wabedo Tororo wabedo kiso wabedo kiso Itinda wabedo kiso Kakira wabedo kiso 1K Ronze Graphic wabedo kiso 1K Ronze Graphic meno bedo Mbale. So those are the shows ma bedo katimone ikono.
Well, yeah. Pangyo getiki manager ni?
I'm self-managing manager na petie.
Now la this Sniper Man manen kong puning ngar mo way man Sniper Man we ngoma be en no ki we o mer manen ko ngoma be ko ma ini no ki we ma ini ting.
Yeah, again ma be ma no ki we is like I feel so happy katinen tamma yelani a releasing ocherongo cherbodlwa. For example, like a love music prophet ka mi yo muziki mama at least mending chindano ma olo kwe chindano lok mi ma ponyo dano lok mi ma kono charo moktamege gudaka kenyo gi. So my girl you are better. Those are love music drop. So ka mi yo at least chero no ngamo chi kwe chunye, because we are here to teach the world. We are here to entertain the world and at least we're advising the world. So gen mano eneno kidong bene ka bolo muziki wako I feel impressed and relieved from bondage money manoti ka yellow ki we asa muguni. You know, music is like a disease bene. Pe we beru mot katie wangengolo malo ni wangengolo wako, then you will feel fine.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Well.
Mera kwo mero yelle, la mera kwo ikarni mero tutte, kwo iloboni mero yelle, jal kwo mero tutte, la chundwara motin pe chitana doke, chimawe la chundwara motin pe chitina kwo nindo, la chundwara motin pe chitina kaneke. Lumone benetie lo nyego dong tie chitina kaneke. Lu chuba benetie lo kwa wang tie chitina kanekwene. Lu nyego benetie tina dak kwene do. Chitina wak kwene Kwa miro yelle ba.
Roll it.
Kwa miro yelle ba ya man.
Pengo I wear when it for mero yelle.
Yeah, Kwa Miro Yele, this is my first music. It's like my first drop. And yeah, Chucky when I'm joining music industry. So Machalo, I was trying also to make live. Get Machalo down bene miracle making live. That's why when you're dropping like no way. Kere no ko dugu tek di chwinyi ba pe jalle. Kere no ko moko jaldi chwinyi ba pe jalle mama, pe jalle baba. Pe jalle jowa, pe jalle atinwa. So we enone I sang it like to encourage everybody.
Okay.
Like to encourage me, Bene. Me medeki gi mo can mati atimu. One day, one time, God will give it to me. And kijo mo kene ma winyo weng to encourage them ni ikwo kereningo always pay ye challenges ko duoke piny. Accept the challenges ye peko mati woke ye don ki kome chike karo eno beluore. Ya bat ka beru ka luora binu beru ka limi cha weng chi cha mo ni mo mako tini. That's why I advise the world.
Well, afoyo matang twalan radio achara kwan were dugu chana tap chi wagamo chim kibot yan man wango.
Mama, baba, joa, atinwa. Ere no put pejal di chuni ba dire bino ba. Ere gino pejal kan chuni ba dire bino ba. Gini bino ba joa, gini bino ba koba. Gini bino ba joa, gini bino ba yelle. Ere no peje anyim chol ba dire yappe. Ere no pejino anyim chol ba dire yappe. Ruot ye ba joa. Tie ba joa, lo ba tie chung ke dua aha. Oh, miro yelle ba.